Hi guys, welcome to another episode of HubFuel. HubSpot have recently released a public beta for the AI campaign assistant, and today we're going to check it out. So firstly, you want to come to the AI campaign assistant page and select Get Started. From here, it's going to ask me what content I want to create first. So we have landing pages, marketing emails, and different ads. Today, I'll walk through the marketing emails, and you want to click sign up for free. Once you've logged in with your existing HubSpot account or signed up for free, you'll be presented with this page, just asking again what content we want to create first. Firstly, it will ask you what your campaign is about. As an example for Fuelius, we will do a free HubSpot portal audit for Christmas. After that, you will want to put in some key messages that your audience wants to know about your business. So again, for a Fuelius example, we have 100 plus 5-star reviews. We are a HubSpot elite agency. We are also a global growth marketing agency. If I click next, this is going to present you with a call to action, what you want your audience to do on the back of the campaign. You have these 9 options from HubSpot, but if these aren't correct, you can also create your own. For example here, I want people to ring to book a meeting. If I go to the next part, we have a writing style. You can select up to 3 options here. I'm going to go for helpful and professional. Once I've clicked next here, it will start building that content based on the information I've just provided. Get some useful tips on what to do with the campaign assistant. So you want to edit your asset name. So I'm going to call this Christmas portal audit offer. If the information that it's created for you is not exactly how you want, you can regenerate content. As you'll see on the left-hand side, this is all the information you put in previously, but all this you can edit going forward. And you can also copy your content to put into your marketing email software. And you can also create a free marketing email there, which will appear in your HubSpot portal. With the email I've got here, if I go to my writing styles and I want a bit more creative and informative information, and I want the CTA to be sent in an email, if I click regenerate content, it's going to produce another marketing email for me, which is slightly different compared to the one we presented previously. Now, the marketing emails are provided with a header, a subheader, and 3 paragraphs with their own subheadings as well as a CTA at the bottom. If I go back to all of our marketing assets, you'll see here on the left-hand side are all the campaigns. And this right here is the email I just created. In the top right, I have the create new asset option. If I wanted to create a landing page based on the back of the email I just created, it pulls in the information that I just put in for the email, and I can click generate content, and this will produce the information for a landing page. From here, you can select create free landing page in the top right again, and this will automatically pull the information into your HubSpot portal. Once you've got your email and landing page content, you might want to create some ads on the back of this. So again, we go back to the main page, the campaign assistant, and in the top right, I want to create a Facebook ad. Similarly to the landing page, it's given me the exact same options on the left-hand side for the content, and I can generate this content, or you can change information if you want it to be slightly different for the audience. And you'll see it has pulled through a AI Facebook ad. If you click publish in the top right, this will pull into your HubSpot portal and you can publish it from there. So that is the campaign assistant so far, as it is in the public beta. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.